In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow or whitelist an email address or domain in Gmail. This is an essential skill if you want to ensure important emails don't end up in the spam folder, especially if you're dealing with high-priority communications from specific people or companies. So sit back and follow along as we dive into the steps to achieve this. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From this menu, we'll need to go a bit deeper, so look for the See All Settings button and click on it. This will bring you to the full settings page. Now that you're on the main settings page, you'll notice a variety of tabs laid out at the top. These include General, Labels, and so forth. We're aiming for the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Give that one a click. Once inside, you'll see any filters you've already set up. To create a new one, locate and click on the Create a New Filter option. Setting up a filter is really straightforward. In the dialog box that appears, you'll want to focus your attention on the From field. This is where you'll input the email address or domain you wish to whitelist. For example, let's say you're constantly missing emails from example@domain.com. Simply type this email in. If you'd like to whitelist an entire domain, such as all emails from anything ending with @company.com, input that instead. Once you've entered the details, go ahead and click on the Create Filter link that appears. A new series of options will present themselves. These dictate what Gmail will do with the emails that match your filter. Among these options, find and select the Never Send It to Spam checkbox. By ticking this box, you're instructing Gmail to always direct these emails to your main inbox, preventing them from being mislabeled as spam. After that, click on the Create Filter button to finalize your new filter settings. And there you have it. Your whitelist filter is now in place. Any emails from the specified address or domain will bypass your spam filter and land directly in your inbox. This can be particularly useful in business contexts or even for personal reasons, like ensuring you receive important communication. Remember, you can always visit the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab if you need to adjust or delete this filter in the future. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope you found it helpful and that your email management is just a bit smoother from here on out. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out additional resources or reach out for help. Until next time, happy emailing